I absolutely love this little gazebo so much. I highly recommend it. When I got it last year before winter set in, the instructions were extremely well detailed, easy to understand. All the parts were with it. I was able to set it up myself. I'm a small woman, 5'4", and I just needed barely little help from my husband, and that was it. It's that easy to set up, you guys. And it's so strong, it's so durable. The curtains are very durable and sturdy. I had it set up all winter long with my hot tub, and it withstood so well. So these curtains that are the church panel, I bought those separate because if I want to have a little privacy, I would rather have little windows than to have to close up all the curtain panels completely for privacy, and then you can't see out at all. So the church curtains are decorative. They allow light to come through. They look pretty from a distance. This is a double panel up here. What I mean is it's a double track. So the church panels is on the inside, and I bought these little clips that hang on the factory hook on the inside track right here. And then this curtain that comes with the gazebo is on the outside track. That way you can slide them both separate from each other. So I can slide this church panel completely open and have an open gazebo, or I can slide it shut, and if I want complete, or if it's raining or storming, I can completely close all the curtains up around this curtain and have double extra protection. I also bought this clear panel that did not come with it, but I wanted a clear panel, and I got these little clips where I can hook it right up here. There again, it's a double panel or a double track, so this will slide open and shut, and the solid curtain will close in front of it. So on the inside, as you can see, what I like about this gazebo is it's a clear top that lets the sunlight come through. It makes it prettier and brighter on the inside. And looking at this panel from the inside, as you can see how this is on the inside of this curtain. I have nothing bad to say about this gazebo. I recommend it to anybody. And I wanted to show you right here, this gazebo. This is the screen curtains that it also comes with. I chose not to put these up. I will at some point because I really like them. They're very, very durable, very sturdy. So these screen curtains are what actually goes on here, but I just really like the look of the church window curtains. And in the wintertime, when I get in this hot tub, I don't want the screen curtains on it letting cold air in. It maintains a very warm temperature inside. In probably, I'll say I've been in this some 40-degree Fahrenheit weather with the panels all closed and with the hot tub running, and it maintained probably 70-80 degrees inside the hot tub. Very nice and toasty. So I very much highly recommend that gazebo.